What's up, you guys? We've stopped here at the Rome Adventure Company booth, and we're gonna go ahead and let my friend KC right here kind of talk about the different products he has.
What is up, you guys? We're here right now with Redarc, and if you can just explain to me, like, what are some of the things that you guys offer for your customers?
What's up, you guys? We've stopped here at the Rome Adventure Company booth, and we're gonna go ahead and let my friend KC right here kind of talk about the different products he has. One thing I did want to tell you guys, if you guys saw earlier in the video, when we did do the Print 2 and CBI off-road giveaway, all of us were standing on the Rome box that I do have on my Tacoma. So I think they're pretty strong, and I like that about it. And overall, all the quality, you guys will see right now, but it's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of let him just talk about the products.
No, it's great. I love that you mentioned how strong and durable all of our products are. That's definitely at the forefront of all the design that we do. We've got an array of different products. So we focus on rooftop tents, we do awnings, cases, coolers. I'll kind of run you through each of them.
Okay.
This right here is our newest addition to the tent lineup. This is our Rambler rooftop, shell rooftop tent. It pops up super easy with our reinforced gas struts here. It's got a custom molded hard shell on top that is fiberglass with aluminum stringers in it. With the aesthetic of it, we wanted to pattern after the aesthetic of our well-loved rugged cases, so it has a little bit more of that utilitarian aesthetic to it.
Okay.
Inside, we've got a 3 2/4 inch mattress inside. You've got 360-degree windows on it, and when this thing is closed up, you're able to leave all your bedding inside, and so people have loved it.
Oh, that's awesome.
To be able to leave that inside there.
And the way it looks like within seconds it's up, right?
Yeah, it takes about 45 seconds to be fully set up. That's being able to get your window awnings and everything out and deployed. So.
And then what about closing it up? Is that pretty simple as well?
Yeah, just grab it, pull it down, buckle it up, make sure all the fabric's tucked in, you're ready to go.
Super simple. So I know you said this is like your guys' new ones, but I know you guys do offer different ones, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So we over here we have our soft shell tent. This is more of the traditional style tent. It comes in 3 different sizes. It's our Vagabond line. So we have the Vagabond Light, we have the Vagabond Standard, and then the Vagabond XL. It comes in 3 different colors. With it's got some unique features that generally whenever I'm talking with anyone, I ask them, is it speed that you're after, or is it your space that you're after?
Yeah.
So with our Vagabond models, you're getting the most out of space with the way that it folds out and gives you double the footprint that it takes up when it's folded up.
What about comfort? Is it the same as this one? Same mattresses or different?
Yeah, same design philosophy with it. It's a little bit thicker. You got a 3-inch mattress in all of our Vagabonds. Inside, you've got a 1-inch aluminum frame, so it pulls the fabric tight. You don't have to deal with as much flapping and,
that's awesome.
And just movement in the night there.
Okay. And then I see you guys have like the shoe bags as well. And
yeah, so it comes with the shoe bags, the gear hammock that comes underneath it, as well as the anti-condensation mat that goes underneath the mattress. And so those are all included with all the Vagabond tents.
And on that one, is that like a hard shell in a way on the outside when it's closed up? Because it doesn't. I don't see a bag around it.
It's got a bag. You can actually pull it off. For the show here, we just pulled it off, but it's got a diamond-plated base, just rugged throughout all our products.
I know, like you said, you make different products. So what kind of awning do we have over here?
In the past, we've had our traditional. We have 4 different size traditional straight-out awnings. Comes in an 8 foot, 6.5, 5 foot, and a 4 foot.
Okay, that's awesome overall, of course. Now let's talk about the cases. What kind do you guys offer? What sizing, stuff like that?
Yes, we have 6 different sizes and cases. With them, we've got a 52, an 82, an 83, a 95, a 105, and a 160 liter. They are used in an array of different placements.
Okay.
And so everything from general storage, rooftop storage. We have an accessory line that goes with a lot of them as well, from lid organizers, MOLLE panels, and then we recently, just a couple months ago, released our rug and mounts on them for rooftop.
Okay. As far as the coolers and all that, I saw one back there you guys have, I guess it's for water or something like that? Okay.
So we've got 6 different cooler sizes. We also have our drink tank, which is the one you saw. That one is a 5-gallon, 20-quart water tank that you can put ice in. and have, you know, cold water for a couple of days kind of thing.
Thanks, Casey.
Yeah, absolutely.
I appreciate
Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, no problem. If you guys do end up wanting to go ahead and purchase any of these products, I'm going to go ahead and link their Instagram, and I'm also going to go ahead and link their website as well. So go check them out. It's an awesome product overall, their company and everything like that. Heck yeah.
What is up, you guys? We're here right now with Redarc, and if you can just explain to me, like, what are some of the things that you guys offer for your customers?
Yeah, of course. So Redarc is an Australian-based brand. Australia is actually the home of overlanding. It's where it all started, and that's where we come from. We specialize in power management and towing technology. So anything that around charging up your batteries, we've got you covered. DC chargers, so that means we're charging you up when your car is driving. AC chargers, you can plug into your house or a campground, and even solar.
Now, as some of the viewers here may know, I do have a Redarc system in my car, and there was a lot of questions I had when I first started. So maybe you can explain a little bit of the difference between like maybe a isolator and a DC-DC charger, because I know when I was first building my system, I had a lot of questions surrounding that.
Yeah, isolation is a really important concept to understand. I'm going to use my hands to kind of explain a little bit of something. So when you start running accessories like a fridge or lights or a winch or anything like that, you really want to have a dual battery system. That means you have two different batteries. Now, if you just connect two batteries together and you run a fridge off of them, they're going to draw down at the same time, kind of like this. And then if you run them all the way down, obviously your truck's not going to start, and no one wants that.
Yep.
So you need an isolator, which an isolator, it does this. Battery 1, battery 2, this is your house battery. Your fridge is going to use that one, and only your house battery is going to be drawn down, which is really nice because maybe you draw that battery down all the way to like 10% left, but your starter battery is still good to go. No matter what, you can always start your truck. So that's really nice and really important.
Yeah, and I'm sure that's a big safety concern with a lot of people, especially when they're out overlanding somewhere far, remote, where they might not have no cell signal, no way to get help, and with a dead battery, you're kind of lost in the woods, right?
Yeah, it's a peace of mind thing, but yeah, if you're going out deep enough, it's 100% a safety thing, because if your car doesn't start and you have no service, that's not a fun situation to be in.
No, it is not.
No.
Now, what other kind of things did you say that you guys offer? I know you said you had AC chargers also and towing stuff?
We do, yeah. So we have a line called the Tow Pro. We have the Tow Pro Elite and the Tow Pro Liberty. Those are electronic brake controllers. So if you have any trailer that's you know, a larger trailer that you're concerned about, you can definitely install that. It's really nice. It fits right under your dash. We have a little knob. There's no knee knocking. It looks really clean. It allows you to just hit a button and lock your trailer out. So if you're getting any kind of sway, you can immediately stop that. We even have one that's specific for off-road use. It's called the Tow Pro Elite.
Okay.
And you can actually turn up or turn down the braking power depending on your conditions. So let's say you're going down a really steep, crazy, rocky descent. You can turn your braking up really high so that your trailer is anchoring you and you have total control. Or maybe you're in sand, you could turn it down so that your trailer isn't anchoring you. Yeah.
All right, that's real cool. Now, what would be the, let's say, ideal person for these products? Like, who's the people that you really want to like sell to?
Yeah.
That would get the most benefit out of like all these products that you guys have here?
Yeah, anyone that wants to run any kind of accessories. So if you want to run a fridge, if you want to have some extra lights, or if you want to go out for a long weekend or something, and you're going to want a dual battery system. Anyone that's maybe you're overlanding, maybe you're van lifing, maybe you have an RV, maybe you have a trailer. Anyone that wants to go off grid or just do any kind of vehicle based recreation, Redarc gear is going to definitely empower you to get out, stay out longer, and have more fun, because you're going to be able to have, you know, cold drinks. You're not going to have to worry about ice. You're going to have reliable, strong gear that you can count on.
That is very well said. And speaking personally, as like I said, I do have Redarc products. That is very true. I love running my fridge 24/7, not have to worry about draining my main battery. Now, thank you again for your time.
Yeah, of course.
That was very educational. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
feel free to subscribe.